Hi, my name is Dr. Rigsby and I'm an orthodontist here at Impress. Let's talk about tips for teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. Here are 3 common causes for grinding teeth: stress and anxiety, sleep problems, or taking certain medications. To counteract the grinding of teeth, we suggest that you wear a mouth guard or retainer at night, practice relaxation techniques, and massage your jaw muscles. Incorporate exercise in your routine. Want to learn more? Visit us today for your free orthodontic consultation using the link in our bio.